Hi, Graham Coath here. I'm slightly worried that being sideways on, you're getting my double chin, but never mind, I'll go with that. I'm here today to talk to you about this Kensington product. I know during lockdown, lots of people have been sending me questions about the fact that they're working from a dining room table with a dining room chair, and how do they sort that out when there isn't enough money in the bank at the moment in order to buy a proper ergonomic chair. One of the things you could do is invest in something like this, which is a Comfort backrest. As you can see, I'm using it on a standard dining room chair, and it does give me good support to the lower back. So if you're struggling with funds at the moment and you really do need a solution to just get you out of the woods, then this could be one for you.